Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to continue with the Creo Illustrate, and we will learn how to create and manage annotations, and we will focus on the magnifiers. So we will start from scratch. We can say that we are able to make the copy of existing figure, and I will duplicate and we can rename and change the name the magnifier. Yeah, we will select all objects, and simple to say you would like to use and create a magnifier. What does it mean? You would like to focus on some part and you are able to choose different styles. So for example, for now I will select the B style, and you can select where you would like to place the magnifier. Yes, only simple left click and again hold the mouse, and then you can show where to place it. What is great that system allow to you to move it away, so you can change your decision and you can better to visualize a place where you would like to show the magnifier. Also, you can change the shape and size, and in future also you can change how it looks like. So in the preferences for the magnifier. Now, if I will spin the model, you see that system automatically do it as needed, so that's great. Yeah, and still you are able to select over here right mouse button, and you are able to specify some preferences. I like to focus on the render mode. Yeah, so as you can see, you are able to change, for example, HRR. And what does it mean? The system will change the color. It's the same like you change it by figure and render mode. Yes, so you can change it here. And as you can see, this window is still the same. If we will select the full view, what is great, you are able to select the reset to focus. This is what I'd like to show you. Yes, so you can select and the system make the orientation. And if you would like to change the render mode, again, you are able to select right mouse button and choose, for example, two shaded widgets. Yeah, so it's really two separated views, and always depend what you select. If you will select from this window, it's the same like you will select from this 3D view. What does it mean? The render mode is changed for all data. If you will select on the magnifier, then the system will change the render mode only for the magnifier. If I will select edit properties for the selected magnifier, as you can see right now, the system allows to me to select the shape, and we can change to square or rectangle. So it's really up to you how you would like to see it. And also you will see here that you can change the small radius, and you can change the fixed size and play with the another preferences. Also, you can change the additional nodes and line. So for example, if I will change it like here, and also you can specify the width of leader. So simple to say, you can start from Home tab and create a magnifier and specify really predefined shape, or you can change it later as requested. We would like to also apply the changes for the figure. So for the selected figure, you can select Use Current View, and the system will automatically show all necessary information also in the figures. In this video tutorial, you have seen how it is possible to maintain and manage the magnifier by Creo Illustrate. Thank you, and bye-bye. Vladimir.